prototype program, 12:30 at night, working on analytics and metrics, trying to measure, where the product fits best in terms of people's interests, and where the best market is for penetration. So it's going pretty good. The data is coming in slowly every hour. We're going to be tracking it for the next probably 72 hours throughout the beginning of our campaign, and then we'll use that data as a way to go ahead and market the best way that we can to the people that are most interested in what we have to offer to have a positive impact on people's lives. So right now, I've always kind of felt pretty good about outdoor activities. I thought that I'm a very active person, and a lot of the inspiration came from doing outdoor activities. So I'm not too surprised that a lot of the data is saying people who are active would take one of the largest interests in our products. But it's one of those things where you got to do due diligence and test the market in different areas to see who would be the best people to give this to, especially during our prototype program at the end, because what we're planning on doing is taking a series of our smaller units during our small scale manufacturing phase and distributing them out for testing. And so it's good to know what markets are going to be the best areas to select people for that testing to get information back on what they thought. So with that, we'll give you an update.